Ona gutuika riboti cia mbara cia kimicii na andu kuiruta muoyo ti undu mugeni, riboti ya ica ikuhi kumana na uthuthuria uria utafanitio thiini wa gitaru gia gatagati ga bururi ni ya kuguoyohia. Kuringana na Minister wa Gender Hana Cheptumo, makiria ya andu 600 ni merutite muoyo gatagati-ini ka mweri wa gatandatu mwaka muhituku na mweri wa kana mwaka uyu.
The suicide cases in this central region are a total of 680. That is very worrying, and that is why we have had a very long meeting with the regional commissioner and the team.
Cheptumo ataririe ati uyu ni undu urabatara makinya ma naihenya gutacukio, akiuga GITARU ni kihaririirio niguo kurehe hamwe anyitite mihonge-ini itiganite kwenjera kiria kiraria kingi thiini wa gitaru gia gatagati ga bururi.
That we shall have a meeting on the 22nd of May 2026, a multi-sector meeting where we shall have the Ministry of Interior, we shall have representative from the Ministry of Education, Ministry of Health, Judiciary, the Ministry of Gender, Culture and Children's Services, the religious leaders.
Ihinda-ini o riu namba ya ciiko cia mbara cia kimicii oro undu umwe na ciiko cia kunyamario gwa ciana irio iguru gitaru-ini giki, ciiko 531 ikiandikithio kaunti ya Kiambu, Nyeri, Murang'a igitongoria ithabu-ini riri ikirumirirwo ni kaunti ya Kirinyaga na Nyandarua.
31 cases of that are affecting the children and generally even the men and the women. We have 515 cases pending in court. We have 10 cases pending investigation and 6 cases pending arrests. That makes a total of 531.
Kaunti ya Nyeri niyo itongoretie na ciiko 93 cia kunyamario gwa ciana, ikirumirirwo ni Kiambu na 47, Murang'a 41, Kirinyaga 75 na Nyandarua 36.
The ministry is deeply concerned by the increasing cases of violence against children reported in Nyeri County. On behalf of the government of Kenya, I extend sincere condolences to the affected families, relatives, and communities. The loss of innocent children is painful, distressing, and unacceptable. These incidences collectively point to a worrying trend involving violence, neglect, abuse, and exploitation of children.
Ciiko ici oho igikuruhanio na njuragano ya ciana iria ikoretwo ikiongerereka na njira nene ica ikuhi, aciari makiurio kuigirereka na gutigirira mari maitho riria ciana ciao ire micii-ini. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wandirwa.